anybody good, I swear it's us, man. I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
Nature is beautiful. Nature is fun. Nature is God's gift to us nature. In nature, I love the sound of birds so early in the morning. I like the sound of puppies soon after they are born. I love the smell of flowers and the taste of honey from bees. I love the sound that wind makes when it's blowing through the trees. I love the way the sky looks on a bright and sunny day, and even it's rainy, I love the shades of gray. I love the smell of ocean, the sound of waves upon the sand. I love the feel seashells and how they look in my hand. And when the sun is gone, I love the moon that shines so bright. I love the sound of crickets and other creatures of the night. So when I lay down to sleep, I thank to the Lord above for all the things of nature and for all the things I love.